Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Our topic today is a very useful one. How to introduce yourself and talk about yourself in English.
Yes, this is something you need all the time. In school, at work, when meeting new people, even when traveling.
And don't worry, we'll keep the English clear and friendly, perfect for B1 or B2 learners.
So, Emma, let's imagine we just met for the first time. How would you introduce yourself?
I'd say, "Hi, my name is Emma. Nice to meet you. I'm from the UK, and I work as a teacher."
That's a great example. Short, simple, but it gives important information.
What about you, Ben?
I'd say, hello, I'm Ben. I'm from Canada. I'm an engineer, and I love playing football.
Perfect. You included your name, country, job, and a hobby. That's enough to start a conversation.
Listeners, when you introduce yourself, you can include these parts: name, country or city, job or studies, and one hobby or interest.
Exactly. Let's practice with some phrases. My name is, I'm from, I work as, I study, I like.
All of these are useful starters. Let's make it more interesting. Emma, tell me more about yourself.
Okay, well, I grew up in London, but now I live in Manchester. I studied English literature at university. In my free time, I enjoy reading, painting, and going for walks.
Nice. That gives me a picture of who you are. You gave some background, where you grew up, what you studied, and what you like now.
Yes, and notice I used the past tense for my history. I grew up. I studied.
That's important when talking about your past.
Now your turn, Ben. Tell us about yourself.
Sure. I was born in Toronto, and I still live there. I studied engineering, and I now work in a company that builds bridges. In my free time, I enjoy playing football, cooking new recipes, and watching science documentaries.
That's a really nice introduction.
Thanks.
Let's add more vocabulary. Instead of always saying I like, you can also say I enjoy, I'm interested in, or I'm passionate about.
For example, I enjoy traveling. I'm interested in history, or I'm passionate about music.
Yes, these sound more natural and a little richer than just I like.
Let's do another little role play. Imagine we're in a language class, and the teacher asks us to introduce ourselves.
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Emma. I'm from the UK. I'm studying English literature, and in my free time, I enjoy painting and going to the cinema.
Hello, my name is Ben. I'm from Toronto. I'm an engineer, and in my free time, I love playing football and cooking.
See? Very natural, and it's what you'd hear in a real classroom.
Now, let's practice some questions you can ask when meeting new people. Where are you from?
What do you do, or what do you study?
What are your hobbies? Or what do you like to do in your free time?
These are good icebreakers, questions that start a friendly conversation.
And when someone asks you, You can answer with short sentences and then ask them back. For example, I'm from Italy. How about you?
That's polite and keeps the conversation going. Let's imagine we meet someone at a party.
Okay, you start.
Hi, I don't think we've met. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Ben. Where are you from?
I'm from Manchester. And you?
I'm from Toronto. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm an engineer.
That's perfect small talk. Short, simple, but polite and friendly.
Let's teach some adjectives people often use to describe themselves. Hardworking, friendly, creative, organized, funny, talkative, quiet.
Yes. For example, I'm hardworking and creative. Or I'm friendly, but sometimes quiet.
It's always nice to add a few personality words when you introduce yourself.
Just don't say too many. 1 or 2 is enough.
Emma, if you had to describe yourself in 3 words, what would you say?
I'd say friendly, curious, and organized.
That's good. I'd say I'm creative, hardworking, and a little talkative.
Yes, you do like to talk.
Perfect for a podcast.
Another thing you can share when introducing yourself is your goals or dreams.
Yes, for example, I want to travel the world. Or, my dream is to become a doctor.
Or, my goal is to improve my English.
That's one all our listeners can use.
Let's do a final role play with everything together.
Okay, I'll start. Hi, my name is Ben. I'm from Canada. I'm an engineer. And I'm creative and hardworking. And in my free time, I enjoy cooking and playing football. My dream is to travel to Japan one day.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm from the UK. I'm a teacher, and I describe myself as friendly and curious. I enjoy painting and reading, and my goal this year is to run a marathon.
That's a full, rich introduction.
And listeners, you can try this at home. Write your own introduction and practice saying it out loud.
Let's quickly review the key phrases. My name is, I'm from, I work as, I study, I like, I enjoy, I'm interested in, or I'm passionate about.
And some extra details. Describe your personality, your hobbies, and maybe your goals.
This way, when you meet someone new, you'll feel ready and confident.
I really enjoyed this topic today.
Me too. It's something everyone needs in English.
Thank you so much for listening.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.
That way, you'll get more fun and useful English lessons with us.
And tell us in the comments, how would you introduce yourself in English?
Yes, share your introductions with us.
All right. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.